Hey, do you know why most of the YouTube channel beginners can't make a viral scripts like you? Because they don't know the secrets which top YouTubers use in their videos. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to write a YouTube script that keeps people watching till the very end and helps your videos go viral. And if you stick with me, at the end of this video, I'll even hand you a proven viral script formula you can steal. It's the same strategy top YouTubers are secretly using. Let's get into the video. First thing you need to understand, you have 10 seconds to hook your viewer or you lose them forever. And that don't use boring intros like, "Hey guys, welcome to my channel, blah, blah, blah." Instead, use any of these 3 steps. Number 1. Give them big promise the viewer can get by watching your video. Number 2. Ask them a juicy question to hook and think for it. They know you give solution for it, so they watch entire video. Number 3. Tell a shocking fact right away. Make them curious to stick to the entire video about the fact. Now come to the main part of your script. Don't give everything in the beginning. Grab the viewer till end of the video. If you give all results viewers should watch and go to another video in the middle of our video. For example, you are telling about 10 AI tools and their uses. Put worst AI tools in first place and best AI tools in last place. And tell it to your viewer to hook into the video. Break your script into mini chapters. Each part should give a quick dopamine hit. New idea, new energy, new excitement, so they never get bored. In this scenario, even if the viewer get bored, they most likely change the chapter instead of closing your video. I used to lose 80% of my viewers in the first minute. It felt like a punch in the gut. But when I started creating curiosity gaps, teasing future value, and adding energy shifts, everything changed. My retention rates exploded. And so did my subscriber count. Valid researching also very important. In any point of the video viewer thinks you are saying wrong immediately, they close your video. So our research should be crystal clear. Watch my previous video for better research. And now here's the simple viral script blueprint you can steal today. Hook, tease the reward they get from video, drop mini value, drop the results they want, tell a relatable personal story, build up the final payoff, is like a recall for your video, end with a strong, emotional call to action. Now you know how top YouTubers keep people glued to the screen. If you're serious about growing fast, smash that like button, subscribe with the bell on, and comment, "I'm ready," if you're going to try this in your next video. Bigger wins are just one great script away. Let's go.